friends, let's start with comprehension. As we know, many competitive exams have comprehension in it. Mostly likely to be around 30 to 40% questions are from comprehension. Especially in UPSC CSAT examination, paper 2 comprises of around 40% of weightage for comprehension. So it is necessary to understand the basics of comprehension. Comprehension is nothing but a basically passage having some set of questions. So these are the following steps that you have to keep in your mind while answering the questions. First essential point is understanding the passage. Usually what we do, we just go and read the passage as fast as we can. But the main thing is we have to understand the passage, what it is about. It might be some storyline from current affairs, or it might be some passages from newspapers, or passages from storybooks, or anything that has been happening currently or past, whatever. So main concern is to understand the passage, what is it about. Second most thing is to understand the language of the comprehension. First of all, we understood what is the comprehension passage is about. Now the second task is to understand the language. Most of the time the words are being used in the passage totally changes the meaning of that passage. So even if we are having a certain knowledge about the passage but the words might change the passage. So it is necessary to understand the language of the passage. Third most concern is visualizing what is being said in the passage. While you are reading the passage, try to visualize what is being said in your mind, so that a certain picture will be coming in your mind while solving the answers of that questions. The most important part is reading speed. Approximately 100 to 120 words per minute is good enough for passage reading, by which you can utilize your given time for the passage and for the further questions. Let's talk about how to prepare or develop your comprehension skills. First of all, you have to improve your vocabulary skills so that you can understand the most complicated words that are being used in the passage, so that you will get a clear picture in your mind that what is actually passage is about. Secondly, you have to practice and practice a lot, by which you will improve your reading skills as well as vocabulary skills. Sometimes some words are being used in practice sets or practice passages that you don't know. Just go through the dictionary and understand that word. It will be easy. Now let's talk about how to answer the questions. You can go by this method of selection by elimination. Just cut it out the answer which is totally wrong and select from the remaining one. Secondly, read the options carefully. What options are being given and does it relate to that question? Another thing is you should underline the words or the entire sentence that you think that is most important in which the questions might be asked. And finally, giving the considerable time to the passage. Around 6 to 7 minutes is enough for a passage prescribing of 5 questions. Hope you got it for which you came here. If you dislike the video, please dislike it. If you have any suggestion, please comment. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you and stay tuned for further sessions.